You don't support corruption.
I do not
Breakfast
support
with
corruption.
Breakfast with Matt. Bread is in
It
the
is bad
house.
for the country.
Do you have reason to believe that
At least give him credit
any
for
of the allegations that have been
taking
made
the
against this
questions.
government
Even
re
if he
corruption
answers them
is true?
dishonestly, but
Martha
at least he
Espelte,
made
I
himself
cannot say,
available
as I
to
said, I
take
cannot
the
go and say
question.
that Martha Espelte is a thief if I do not have the evidence. The person can take you to court to prove it.
Evidence, evidence,
So I
evidence.
cannot come on radio
Court,
and put that
kangaroo
radio
court.
station in great danger by saying I believe there was corruption, where I cannot present one iota of evidence to show that there was corruption. I know there were discussions held on the bin bubble. Those came in earlier on in terms of the land transfer
Oh,
deal.
my Dominican
Those things
and my
came up.
Dominican people.
And the
So
evidence
that's not corrupt.
that to me that was corrupt. That was corrupt. That was corrupt. Those areas, at least those things were substantiated and the monies were paid back. Those discussions were held and the evidence was provided. So with this evidence,
Do
that
you
was
know
provided,
that this has happened, or this has happened in any other country? Heads would roll.
yes, Martha Espelte.
So why is it not rolling in Dominic?
Martha Espelte, heads would roll. I do not understand why certain things occur in small island states and certain individuals are given protection. As you know, there was a certain situation when I was on the late night show, we spoke about it, where a certain policeman took $40,000 from the Marigot police station. And you know, I myself was deadly against that.
Claville Mills.
And you know that he's still in his position. In fact, he was promoted. So
Claville Mills.
But
The same
yeah,
Claville
fine.
Mills.
You seem
The same
very
Claville
ready
Mills.
and willing to speak about the police officer that you thought allegedly took for
Allegedly.
he took the money.
He
It was
took
not
the money.
allegedly.
Exactly.
That there was
You
the
know this-
fact.
you know
Okay,
this all
well,
you're so
Brent, this
forceful about
morning,
this police
this
officer.
morning I happen to
why
be a
must I
fan
not
of
be
yours
forceful about
for
other
this
persons?
So
morning.
why are you not? That's a question. Why are you
Well,
not forceful?
I'm being forceful, Martha Espelte. If there are individuals within the ministry who do things that are wrong, because you know that when you
We're not talking if anymore. You confirm that it happened.
yes, it happened. So, and I said on the record that head should roll.
Yeah.
You're asking me why head did not roll. Can I answer that question?
But if you say that head should roll, why do you
Isn't
continue
heads?
to
Why
support
aren't
the
heads
brain of
rolling?
the Adams, a government that you think have been corrupt?
And
Well,
how
the
should the
evidence
heads
continue to
roll,
support
Brent?
a government that is involved in corruption.
You don't support the government.
I do not
You
support
just-
corruption. I do not support corruption. If corruption is coming out from the United Workers' Party, I'm against it. If it's coming out from the Labour Party, I'm against it. I do not support corruption from whatever angle it comes out from. So do not try to put
Oh,
a mark
Brent.
because
You
the
do
Labour
not
Party
support
may be
corruption,
involved in
but I'm sure you
corruption,
went to the
and
polls
I'm
and vote
covering up
Labour
for them.
Party.
That is not my
You
position.
do
My
not support
position is clear.
corruption?
If you're corrupt in any political party or in any organization, then
But
the
you will
price
vote
should
for
be
them
paid.
to
The question
let
you're
them
asking
stay in
me,
power.
why heads didn't rule? I cannot answer that question because I'm not in a position to take the action on the persons who are being found guilty of such practices.
But you just said who? I always very, very carefully here, Brain. I want to take it.
Oh my
question
God.
by
It
question.
is so
Take it-
much
take it
easier
question by
for
question.
people to be
You said
honest and
that you are aware that
straightforward
monies were paid
than
back
for
the
them to
treasury as a
be
result
doing that kind of
some
thing that
corrupt
Brain is
practices.
doing.
Yes?
Yes,
Are we there?
we are right there.
Okay.
Take your time.
Can you tell the people of Dominica right now, Brain, if you mind, or if you don't mind, which government you support?
Martha Espelte, at this point in time, I do not support any government. You do not know who I voted for. I'm not going to put it on the record.
I know you
I'm a
voted
free
Labour,
man, as I
Brain.
said, I'm retired.
You
I do
shame,
not
you
have any
afraid.
positions to get again.
You
in my
shame
life.
because you know it is
I'm a
shameful.
retired man,
That's
and
why
I'm
you can't
enjoying
say it
my corporate
honestly.
relaxation. I'm not going to put my chips to
That's why
support
you cannot
any
say it
government
honestly.
blindly.
Because you
I'm
know you
supporting
voted
the
Labour Party and you were
must
ashamed
die
of
in the
your
Labour
vote.
Party.
As you should
Persons have
be.
migrated from
As
the Labour
you
Party,
should
and
be.
persons have migrated from the Labour Party into the United Workers'
Trifling
Party.
people.
So you have migrated to no place.
No. I'm a free man.
You
In this
free.
election, I did not go to any of the political rallies. I remained at my home, relaxing myself. You did not see me wearing any political collars. I stayed away from it. I just watched the
Good for
fight,
you.
and listened to the comments, and I myself had my own opinions about some things that were occurring.
But why
So
you
don't
can't
try
share
to
your opinion?
attach
What's
me
wrong
to the
with your
Labour
people?
Party and
What
the
is
Labour Party.
secrecy?
I'm asking a
Secrecy
question.
and
Don't
fear.
try to put me in a pigeonhole me as though, if I'm supporting the Labour Party, that whatever the Labour Party does, they're right to do it. That's pure nonsense, Martha Espelti.
That's what you think.
Hit him, man, hit him.
Or do not try to lead me into that area.
Hit him.
Stop that, Martha Espelti. I'm a big man, and I have the right to decide who I want to support.
You can handle the questions, Bray.
I can handle myself. I do not have to go to Mr. Skerritt and ask him for a favor, You don't, because I will go by Mr. Skerritt. I have not been by Mr. Skerritt. I don't go to the Red Clinic, Martha Espelti. I've worked for the government for 38 years, and whichever government comes into power, they must take care of me until the day I die. And I've seen many governments, LeBlanc, Patrick John, O.J. Seraphine, Eugenia Child, you just name it. And I've survived for 48 years.
You're enjoying corporate
relaxation, man.
It's 449-3095. You know, we always enjoy having a conversation there with the brain.
Why you like to bring the brain in your studio like that, Matt?
I hope they'll be able to.
Should I take a phone call?
Why shouldn't you take a phone call?
I'm just
Don't
asking.
protect me, my brother.
Whether you're ready for this.
Don't protect me.
The salvo is going to come.
Let them come.
Let's take a phone call. Hello.
Hey, Matt, good morning, Matt.
How you doing, brother?
I'm fine. Matt, Brain Sewell, he don't support no party, but he Brain vote. The party, whatever party he vote, he supporting the party, and Brain know exactly the government of it is corrupt, and this corrupt Brain can't run away from that.
But he didn't run away from that. I mean, I have to give Brain some credit. He did say that he's aware of some quote-unquote corrupt practices that took place. And the question
Brain's
is,
position is,
why
I know they are corrupt.
Back to Brain. Hello,
I will distance myself from them, but I will still go in the polls and vote for them. Because I think Skerritt is handsome, he has charisma, he is more popular than Leonard Clinton, and this is the way man like Brain thinks.
I will not be disrespectful to Brain, but I just want to say something. Not somebody that is being enslaved is different from a voluntary slave. You get that, Matt?
Yeah.
Follow you.
Somebody that is being enslaved is not a slave. Is a voluntary slave that is a real slave. Want to die for Master, die with Master, want to be sick with Master.
I just love Blessings.
I see many
Blessings
of that in Dominica.
says everything that I would say. Like we have, like we our brains are wired
It is so sad
the
to
very
see,
same way.
You know, we have passed the crossroads, Matt, and I've said we're on the edges of hell, and we yet not to learn from the scotches and the bumps and the bucks and the bruises, Matt. And it is so sad.
Yep.
The brother is being very ambiguous and very diplomatic in his utterances. I've listened to him through the years. The brain is saying everything, and yet it's saying nothing.
Yes.
Because I think the brain does not want to ruffle any feathers or muddy any waters. I don't know if he's waiting in the slip, hoping that some thin edge he will get hold of it, Matt. But bring just one question. What is the hindrance or the barrier that is preventing those people who have involved themselves in the bean bubble, the fertilizer bubble, and the land transfer bubble? That is just 3 of them, the brain. What is the hindrance? What is preventing them from being taken to the courts or arrested, like Mr. Patrick John said? He is, what was it, Mark? Who was he? His Attorney General, was it, Mark?
Leo Austin.
Leo Austin. He got arrested and charged. What is it that is preventing Roosevelt Skerritt on the land transfer particularly? And his lawyer claimed it was an error, a mistake, and he cannot be charged. And the bean bubble and the fertilizer bubble, Brain, from your point of view, I know you may be very ambiguous and skirt over around the issue, but can you just get if you get my question, can you please answer me? I'm listening.
When can you answer Blessings?
He went all over Mont Diablo and Mont Trois-Pitons to come to the point. Martha Espelti, there's the IPO, am I correct? And there is the police. If certain allegations are brought to the police, You remember when I took
Brian, you know the IPO and the police and all of them are part of the corruption.
That the police came
you know the IPO
and I had
is not worth the paper that whatever they are guided by is written on. You know that, Brain. And you know that the court is a kangaroo court. You know that every institution in Dominica has been systematically been corrupted or disbanded.
They should be brought to trial.
Trial where? Trial how?
So you brought to court for a
in Tony Astafan's court.
And that happened some years ago. And I was put on suspended leave for half pay. These are the rules that govern the civil service until the matter goes to the court. That is how the procedure follows for every public servant. And if you're found guilty, you use your pension and your
when last did you see that happen in Dominica?
So
that was time when Dominica was a state. Dominica is no longer a state.
So
it's a lawless, banana republic, wild west. That's what Dominica has become.
It is their responsibility to do the necessary investigations, Martha Espeldi. That's why they're being paid for. No, man, I was not above the law. You are not above the law. Nobody. So blessings, brother. Will and come again.
Good morning to you. Hello on the telephone here. We're talking. We're having a conversation with the Brain. Hello. Good morning to you.
Good morning, the Brain, my good friend.
Good morning, my brother.
Yes, but you know, I've been listening to the Brain for a number of years now, since the late night show and so on. And I found him to be intellectually stimulating at times, yeah? But
intellectually stimulating.
You know, Brain is a man who leads. I don't think he's been led. And so since I have 95% confidence in the Brain that he always leads, Mr. Brain, why is it that, you know, when we have heard it before, that the honorable leader of the opposition right now, Mr. Linton, has been calling names affiliated to corruption, to theft. And why is it? But if somebody so desperate to take you out and to see your end, why is it that he can independently call their names and they do nothing? Don't you find something wrong about it? Because he's not hiding, you know, reallocating or disguising his voice, you know. He's calling their names and they do nothing. Don't you find that it's astonishing that my name can be called and say blatantly I'm a thief and I do nothing? Brain, if you are leading, as I said, and I know you to lead, not being led, can you please put some, you know, put a perspective on that for me, please? Have a good morning.
You're going to put some perspective on this?
Martha Espelti, Mr. Linton himself, was it when being investigated, you know, when it was said that certain matters came from the